Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. Welcome back. I had these nails on for 5 weeks, y'all. This is 5 weeks of grow out. So you know what? I decided to show you guys how I did this. I recorded this 5 weeks ago. I never put it out. But you know what? The nails lasted so long and so well, I had to do it, okay? All right, so really quick, here's most of the items that I'll be using today. I'll put a list on the screen and I'll also leave links in the description box below. All right, so let's get started, you guys. I'm in such a jazzy mood. If I break out into song, please do not judge me. Okay, so we've already prepped our nails and now I'm prepping the inside of the nail tip. We dust her out because, I mean, come on, we don't want a dusty nail, right? I like to add my primer on my nail. So I like to put it on the surface of my nail, but then I also like to put it inside the nail tip. So let me know, are you guys applying your primer like that, or is this overkill? Am I doing too much? Let me know. But the nails stay on. Listen. These nails stayed on for 5 weeks. Actually, I took them off. I took them off because the tip of one of them had chipped and I was just like, you know what, let me do a whole new set. So, hey, you know what I mean? Might want to add primer inside and out. Okay, then we go in with the base coat. I am testing out my Makartt products today. So most of the things that I'll be using today, I got in my Makartt. Remember that unboxing video I did not too long ago? Yes, I am testing some of this stuff out, okay? Makartt, I'm calling you out. But low key, we already know that the nails last, so thumbs up, Makartt. So we are going to cure our base coat, and when we cure, we have to sing. Papa in the oven, Papa in the oven, Papa in the oven, I let her bake, bake, bake. What's she doing? Bake, bake, bake. What's she doing? Bake, bake, bake. Okay, that was dragging it a little bit, but I was in the mood. Okay, so now the base coat has fully cured and we are going to apply some base coat in the center of the nail, right? But then I also like to add a little bit, just a little swipe down the middle of my nail. I don't like to flood the entire nail, so I don't carry it to the cuticle. I don't carry it to the edges. Literally just right down the middle so that I don't have any air bubbles. And then I just place the nail on ever so gently. You know, it's a very gentle process. You cannot force it on. If you do too much pressure, then you'll have gel oozing out the sides, right? And oh my gosh, that's so annoying. So just a little bit of pressure, that's all you need, especially if you added the right amount of gel. So then I did a flash cure with my black lamp. That was just a little quick flash cure so that I could get 10 seconds of me holding it in place. Then I put it in the big lamp and I did a full cure for 60 seconds, all right? So that's why I had 2 lamps. 2 lamps are optional, but it definitely makes putting the nails on a lot quicker, all right? So I'll leave the links to all of that in the description box if you guys are interested. I did get it right on Amazon. All right, so now we are filing the nail, and the importance of this is, oh my gosh, first of all, we want a flat nail, right? We don't want something too thick and too bulky, so you want to thin out the nail, but also you want to etch the surface so that when we apply our acrylic or our gels or our polishes, they stick a lot better. They don't just peel off, all right? So I am just roughing up the surface of the nail. I'm using an e-file, but you could use a hand file. Now, you guys, okay, so remember the unboxing? The base coat is from Makartt, yes, but the acrylic is from their NATALI CARMONA. Oh my God, did I say your name right? I'm so sorry. NATALI, I'm sorry. But it's from her collection. Oh my gosh, I love her. We all love her. So the color, right? At first, I didn't really care for it. Like, I was like, this just looks so light, but let me give it a chance. But y'all, oh my gosh. I was thinking, you know what? It's such a pale color that if I don't like it, I'll just paint over it. Nobody will know, right? But oh my gosh, I didn't put any polish. I just really love this color. I really love this color. So all I did, you guys, was apply the Makartt base coat, and then I used my little scoop. Use a spoon. A spoon is just so much faster. But listen, I didn't have a plastic spoon with me, so this is what I'm using. I'm making do. But if you have a plastic spoon, trust me, the process goes a lot quicker because one scoop covers the entire nail and then you're moving on to the next. So basically all I did was apply the base coat, a very thin layer of base coat, and then scooped the acrylic right on top. You could do this with dip acrylic. You could do this with regular acrylic as I'm doing right now. Then you're gonna pop it in the oven and you're gonna let it bake for a full 60 seconds, okay? Just bake it and sing the song. And then when you pop it out, it's going to be, you know, completely dry and you could just dust it off. Don't be afraid, like don't think you're going to mess up your brush. The gel is completely dry. The acrylic is completely dry. Now, if this thickness for you is fine, you do not have to do what I'm doing. I'm adding a second layer because no ma'am, no ma'am, I need at least 2 layers, okay? But if you're, you know, kind of delicate on your hands and you could get away with just a nice thin layer, then by all means, you are good to go. For everybody else, please continue, okay? 2 layers, 3 if you must. So this is what it looks like. This is the thickness of 2 layers of the acrylic, okay? And I think that's okay for me, but again, you might have to add another layer if you know, if you desire. Now here we go. I'm starting with a hand file. Just like at this point, you guys, after the nails are fully cured at this point, you treat them like any other set, right? So I like to go in with my hand file first just to get like a quick, you know, outline of the shape of the nail. And then I go in with my E-file. Now, if you're not proficient in the E-file or you don't have an E-file, just continue with your hand file. These nails come out so nice and flat, especially if you scoop on the powder rather than jam your fingernail in it. Oh my gosh, I hate that. Do not jam your finger in the powder, y'all. If you sprinkle it on, it comes out so flat. You really don't even need an E-file. So use a hand file if that's all you got, all right? So the nails are filed and now it's time for the art. I'm so sorry. I told y'all in the beginning of this video, I felt a little sing-songy. Okay, so y'all, this art is also from Makartt. So everything that I'm using today is from Makartt except for the gel that I'm using for my bling. This is the POTTLE plasma gel, which is also used for building nails. So yeah, rather than just buying a bling gel, I like to use a hard gel for that. That way I could build a nail with it or put my bling on, because that's a 2-for-1. And you guys already know I'm about saving them coins, right? So I'm using the POTTLE builder gel. That was also the hand file from the POTTLE, but everything else is from Makartt, and I do have coupon codes and all that would be in the description box. So like I said, NATALI, shout out to you, because I was planning on covering this color up. I was like, listen, my skin is too dark for this. Stop playing. This is foolishness. But you know what? Listen, I loved it. I really, really loved it. So yeah, I didn't even add a color. I was like, what can I do instead? Like on the fly, and adding a little bit of jewels was like the quickest thing to do. All right, so now I'm going in with the Makartt top coat. Like I really was thinking matte would like look really, really nice, but I just can't do it. It's like gloss always calls my name. So here we go with the gloss. Let me know in the comments below. Are you guys a matte or a glossy, or do you switch it up? Do you switch it up? Like I tend to always stay like in the glossy lane. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. What do you guys prefer? So this is what the nails look like. So easy to do, you guys, right? Come on. Anyone could do that. So easy. This is what the nails look like on day 1. I had to take the nails outside so you can really see that color. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. Love it. And again, on 5 weeks, you guys. Still looking bomb, still looking bomb. Had to show you the left hand and the right hand. Don't play with me. Sometimes it's the simplest designs that just do it for me. You know what I mean? All right, y'all, that is it. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and check out my other channel. Link to my other channel will be in the description box below. Love you guys so much. Bye.